Namaste, yoga friends, and welcome to today's Kids Yoga Meets Astrology. It also happens to be Halloween. Woo! So, I wanted to share two things that went on this weekend in the world of astrology. The first was on Friday when the planet Jupiter, the planet of luck and abundance, went into the sign of Pisces, the very watery, dreamy type of planet. And so perfect for going into Halloween time when everybody dresses up in fairy tale type things or costumes or pretend to be somebody else. Pisces energy is all about that fairy tale feeling. And Jupiter helps expand that energy. And then yesterday, the planet of action, Mars, the planet of war, Mars, that planet went retrograde, which means it appears to be going backwards. So, if your child is feeling a little bit of confusion right now, that is what's going on with this energy of Mars, because Mars is full speed ahead in a way. And then all of a sudden it's like, bam, stop, pause, wait. And so your children might be feeling that, trying to balance. Should I do that? Shouldn't I do that? Should I go there? Shouldn't I go there? Should I join this? Shouldn't I join this? So just know this planet Mars brings a powerful punch, and the energy is going to be this way going into the new year. It is not a quick energy that's going to happen. Mars retrograde happens every 2 years, but right now it is a little bit more specific because it's happening between eclipses. Because it's happening between eclipses, it is intensifying its energy of war in a way, not to scare anybody, but it's intensifying that feeling, that kind of theme. And there are other planets and things that play in regards to that. We'll go over those another day. So, to help your children to kind of balance that confusion, and also to help you if you're feeling that, or if you feel like full speed ahead, just full speed stopped, we're going to take a moment to take inventory of our bodies, of how your bodies are being affected and how your bodies are feeling in regards to this Mars energy. And so yoga and yoga breathing and yoga poses and breaths and meditations, they all can help with balancing the energies in your body. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a pose or two, and you might have your own favorites. Any yoga pose you do, any yoga breath you do, any yoga meditation you do, all will help during this season of Mars being retrograde. But what I would like to do with you today is to stay in your seated position right now. And I'd like you to help your nervous system by just folding forward as far as you can go. And when you're as far as you can go, you bring your head down. And you stay down and breathe in and breathe out. Inhaling and exhaling. And you do that for just a moment or two, or a few moments if your child can do longer. And then we want to balance our bodies by switching our leg in the front. And it's always easier on one side than the other. So you're going to find that your first side was probably the easier side to do that than this side. And make sure you're breathing in and breathing out softly and slowly. And then you're going to come back up. Just notice for a moment how that might have felt. That forward folding over your midsection helps your child's nervous system. And so I hope that you have a beautiful, fun, spooky, or fairy tale type Halloween. Namaste. Have a great yoga day.